Hey everybody, as always, I hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to walk you through how to use the last run widget on your Garmin Instinct watch. Now I'm using the Garmin Instinct Solar. It doesn't matter if you've got one of the solar versions or non-solar versions, they all have this widget. It's going to work the same for all of them. So if you've watched my video before, this widget is very similar to the last sport widget. If you want to go look at your running activities, you don't need the widget. Let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to go ahead and press the menu button. I'm going to go down to history, I'm going to press GPS to select history, and then I'm going to select my activities. If I want to see my runs, all I have to do is go through all of my recent activities. But you're going to see my last activity was a walk, then there's a run, there's another run, but there's a walk, and so on and so forth, and I have to keep cycling through all of these until I can find all of my runs. Well, Garmin gives you a way to get to your runs without having to go through all of your activities and find your runs, and that's the last run widget. We're going to go ahead and install that, take a look at it. As with any other widget, you have to install it first, so we're going to press and hold the menu button. We're going to go down to settings, press GPS to select settings, go down to widgets, press GPS to select widgets, and then we're going to add widgets. The one that we're looking for is last run, and you'll notice that the icon is the same as the icon for the running activity. We're going to press GPS to select it. We've successfully added the widget. Basically what this widget does, I kind of think of it as in terms of like Excel, Microsoft Excel. You've got an Excel document, you put a filter on it just so you can see certain values. This widget does the same thing. Let's go into it. The first thing it's going to do is it's going to show you a summary of the week of your running activities. So you can see for this week, I've run a little over a half a mile. There's my distance, there's my pace. I can press GPS to see the individual runs, but like I was talking about in Excel, now when I go through all of these, I'm not seeing any other activities other than runs. Now you'll notice that this one here is a treadmill run. Run would be the running activity, treadmill run, trail run, any kind of running activity. They're all going to be filtered in this one widget. If you want to see the details of any of your runs, you can go to it, press the GPS. You can see that this run was yesterday at 5:19 p.m. You can click on GPS to see the details of the run, the distance, the time, the pace, calories, average heart rate, max heart rate. This is the same information we would see if we just went and looked at it on our activities page. The laps, if you had your GPS on, you'd be able to see the map for the activity, time and heart rate zones, your elevation plot, basically the altitude changes during the activity, and then I can delete the activity. Once you're done, you can simply press back to go to your main screen. It's very similar to the last sport widget, but last sport takes you to all of your activities. Last run is going to take you just to your running activities that you've got saved on your Garmin Instinct watch. I hope that makes sense. Very easy. If you've got any questions, post them in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out. As always, thank you for watching.